When it comes to public speaking, how can you make an audience love you in 90 seconds? Let's find out. So I'm going to share with you 7 proven strategies on how to do that. And by the way, if you haven't done it yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Strategy number 1, you gotta have a desire to connect with your audience. I gotta tell you, if deep down you don't want to connect with them, you're gonna fail. Yeah, you're gonna fail. All these other strategies, they're not gonna work if deep down you don't have the desire to connect with your audience. It's not gonna work. Yeah. So you gotta ask yourself, why do I care about my audience? Why do I want to connect with them, right? How can I really build that connection fast? And again, why do I want it? So how can you connect with your audience in minimum time? What's this? Yes, strategy number 2 is having an attention grabber. There's so many options to choose from, right? This one here is a prop. Quickly gonna put that to the side. And you can use any prop in the book, anything that can be related to your presentation. You can ask questions, you can start with facts, you can share a quick joke. You gotta be funny though, okay? But you gotta start off with an attention grabber in the first 10 to 20 seconds. Number 3 is interact with them from the start. Yeah, really from the beginning. You wanna show that you're an open, friendly presenter. You wanna make your presentation, your speech, you wanna make it a two-way communication, not a one-way communication, yeah? One of my favorite ways to do it is simply to ask questions, right? How many of you would love to learn how you can get your audience to love you in 90 seconds or less? Quick show of hands. Yeah, I get everybody to raise their hand. So that's a good option. But again, this is so critical because most speeches, most presentations are simply boring because it's all one-way communication. If you become good at involving your audience from the start, there's a very high chance they will love you right away. Number 4, you want to have a high passion level. Yeah, you want to be energetic, you want to be passionate, you want to be positive. People love being connected with positive, energetic people, okay? It's just a fact. It's just a fact. Now don't get me wrong. Sometimes you have to read the room, what the situation is in the room. If everybody's tired and boring, you cannot jumpstart with sky-high passion. But you got to raise the passion bar. You got to start higher than they are. They got to know from the beginning, okay, Ben is an energetic, a passionate presenter. This is going to be interesting. Yeah. So make sure that you start off with passion and continue with passion. Number 5, so critical, you gotta have positive body language. Yeah, positive body language. What does that mean? Gotta have a good posture, good eye contact, good gestures as well. Okay, it's very, very critical that you have positive body language. Show the inside of your palms. Yeah, research has shown that you can more easily connect with people if you show the inside of your palms, as silly as it sounds. Another good way, smile. Smile. Again, for an audience to love you, you gotta be a lovable person, which you are. That's why you're watching this. Yeah, but you gotta have positive body language. Number 6, make your key message about them. And this goes really back to, you have to think about, what do they really, really want to hear from you? What would excite them? Where would they be sitting in their chair and be like, tell me more? Yeah, where would they do that? Okay, so your message, your whole topic, again, this goes into a different topic about how can we create a great topic, a great presentation that wins them over, but it's got to be part of the whole package. Yeah, and it's got to be about them. And if the presentation message, if your speech message is about them, what they're interested in, what they're curious about, there's a very, very high chance they will fall in love with you and your presentation fast. Number 7, you want to establish credibility fast. Yeah, doing all these first 6 strategies, they'll already work. That's usually game over, they will already love you. But to take it one step further, you want them to trust you as well. Yeah, you want them to trust you. You got to establish credibility early on. So you got to have a short self-introduction. And one way that I like to do it is with a phrase, do not listen to me because I've trained over 130 companies, 49 of the Fortune Global 500s with people from 53 different countries. Do not listen to me because of that, but listen to me because I care. I care about that you become a great presenter, a great public speaker. Yeah, that's what matters to me, and that's what we're going to do today. So have something like that. Have something like that, yeah? Do not listen to me because, and then share a list of your successes. And then say, listen to me because, whatever that might be for you. Because you care, because you want something specific for them, yeah? Fill in the blank. Whatever is best for you. But make sure you establish credibility fast. So comment down below one time, what was your biggest takeaway, your biggest insight, your biggest lesson? Yeah, what did you learn? Let me know down below. If you haven't done it yet, by the way, hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and most importantly, I really look forward to seeing you for the next video.